everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been forever since I last did a video, but I'm back and I'm excited to start filming and showing you guys stuff. And so here is a new release video for tomorrow. Well, the video is for today, new release for tomorrow. And I have a total of 5 summery kits coming to the shop. The first one, I should have separated them, shouldn't I? The first one, I want to surprise you guys, so I want to take it out. Yep, there it is. You can't see it. Okay, so first one is this flamingo one that says stand tall and don't give a flock, which I love puns, so I already love this kit. And you might notice that this is sort of a design or patterns that we did I think last summer, but we moved some things around and redesigned it and added another quote. And so now it's coming back to the shop because I just feel like these colors are so pretty and bright and summery. And I mean, watermelons and flamingos, that's just summer. So these are the 5 pages to our kit that you can also buy a la carte if you would like. So kit number 1. Then we have another super bright and summery one, which is this pool party one, which I guess this is beach party, so maybe we'll go with beach party instead of pool party. But it's basically just palm fronds and these 2 girls just on little inflatables, but I swear it looks like they're at the pool instead of the beach. But well, that one looks like the beach. But anyway, whatever. And there's more flamingos because I just love pink and flamingos and stuff. But oh my gosh, I just love these colors so much. And this blue is just, I love it so much. It's so different from any other blue that I put in my kits. So had to happen. More flamingos, more prettiness, lots of summeriness. So I hope you guys like this one. And these are all not foiled. I do have some foil kits, but I'm saving those for last. So summer kit number 2. Then we have this really pretty nautical one. And it says, I haven't been everywhere, but it's on my list. And I just relate so much to this because all I want to do is travel, you guys. I'm planning maybe 10 different trips in my head at all times because I just want to travel. And so the colors here are a little more muted, and I just really, really like that as well. I always feel like I should mix and match my weeks. I should have a super, super bright week, and then next to it, right after it, I should have a more toned down one, and then a super in your face one. And I don't know if that's just me, but I don't know, I'm weird. And so, yep, this is this kit. I love this map bottom washi here. So yes, kit number 3. And now we get into the foils. I'm so excited to show you. Okay, let me see. There you go. So this, let me move this out of the way. This is kit number 4, but the first foil one. So I'm trying to move it around so you can see what it says. Here it says adventure awaits, and then here it says a smooth sea never made for a skillful sailor. And I just love this theme. I love the water kind of serpent dragon, and it's still magical, and it's this little boy pirate. And I love these boxes right here, how you can kind of place them together to make a theme, which you don't have to. You can always disperse them out if you want, but I think I'm gonna try and put it in my planner like that. And so I just think it's so pretty. And it's the foil, if you look closely, I don't know, I don't know if you guys can distinguish what the color is, but it's a minty green foil. It's really, really, really pretty. And so this page is also foiled, the checklist. This right here is also foiled, super cute. And then these 2 pages are the ones that are not foiled. And I am considering, because I added this little foil section right here, I'm considering adding it to these 3 because these don't have any foil. I just, I didn't want to put any foil on his beard or his hat because I didn't want to take away from, I didn't want to make them minty green. They were just, I wanted to have a black beard and for him to have a black hat. But I might just put little sprinkles of, foil on top of it. Yeah, I think I just decided that. I had to look at it before deciding that, but now I'm yeah, gonna happen. All right, show you the next kit. Ah, but seriously, how cute. And the last one I think is my favorite one. So it's this sort of American Girl-ish theme kit. And so I don't know like what got into me, but I'm in love with like these like together boxes kind of thing. And so this one here has red foil, which is I introduced I think last Friday to the shop with some like star stickers, and I am obsessed with this red foil, especially with the blue. So you can see it's all over this one. The fireworks are foiled, the little star right here, then there's stars and the little flower. Oh, and fireworks all around this are also foiled. Super cute. Then the checklist is star foiled. And then the bottom washi and dates and regular washi are foiled. So, super cute. And then these 2 pages are not. So, that is the last kit that I will be bringing into the shop this week. And I wanted to add like more summery things, like either beans or some of our new girls that I haven't even been able to debut yet because I don't think I have enough. But I think I'm going to just go with the kits first and then really make like a debut for the girls and like summer beans and everything. So I hope you guys love these kits as much as I do. And yeah, I will see you again very soon. Bye!